leaving y'all.
Gone left me, people. Imagine that.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect, I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Alright, so some plumbing work is happening today. We're laying pipes, which I'm very excited about. So we just came to check in. Don't want to reveal too much, but I'll just do a quick spin around like this so you can see that things are happening. Whoop. Let it drop. Well, week 1. Wow, I look like a lion. I washed my hair this morning and just...
If you want to land, for sure,
Lion. Lion is on the rise.
But the man lion have the look there.
The main.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever.
Yeah, your main guy.
I'm your main girl.
Where they say week 1?
Week 1.
Week
Construction. Insane. Insane. I am so excited about the progress that is being made inside the house this week. I mean, it surpassed anything I thought that could happen, and they're really bringing together a great team that is just knocking it out. It's Saturday today and they're doing plumbing in there today, just, you know, laying some stuff so that we can just keep the ball rolling. There will be no work going on tomorrow.
They do a really good job.
Yeah, so happy for that. Oh, I need to get back because I need to upload that video. Yeah. We are vlogging today and a little bit tomorrow. Wayne is out of town tomorrow. He's gonna be doing some football thing tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah, probably vlog a little bit out there.
Probably vlog a little of that, but we just decided we're gonna get a little of today as well. So very pleased with what's happening inside the house, and I really look forward to sharing that with you guys on the progress. Don't want to fill the vlog with too much of the reno because I really am trying to pull everything together for the actual MTM makeover videos that will come. So
in other news, still no sign of the puss.
So there were a couple comments like, oh, you should have taken the cat with you. Not to a temporary home. That's not the advice I was given, or not what I would have done, because he would have left us at the temporary home too. I knew it. I know Pancho. And then I got a lot of comments and a lot of messages saying, hey, it's gonna be fine. So
alright, people, you know it's serious when we go up the top of the hill, go check out a gang of cats, because there's a gang of cats up on the top side there. So I'm gonna investigate and find out if any new addition to the crew. People are say it's karma for kill Lizzie. People are say a Lizzie family them come back for Pancho. Isn't it?
We went to a friend's house last night and we were sitting out on their veranda and somebody said, oh my god, a cat. This one fly out of the chair and said, it's Pancho?
Me traumatized.
Anyway, it's gonna be fine. In other news, did I tell you guys I got back my visa?
Alright, people, let me start that one here. My girl don't even hear the V, much less the Z.
And I booked a flight.
I booked ticket and gone.
I'm leaving y'all!
Gone left me, people. Imagine that.
Oh, I can't wait, guys. I haven't left Jamaica for 3 years, and I am really excited to be taking this trip. I'm gonna... Oh, careful. You have space on this side. I am gonna be traveling with my sister, my bestie, and you know, we just have a few things to get done before baby comes. I'm in desperate need of some tops and whatever, but I am just really excited, especially because, you know, Wayne is going to be going away for his NBA trip. So I'm just going to go very quickly for a quick little escape. And yeah, I haven't figured out how I'm going to be able to like edit, vlog, get your footage, all that stuff yet. But we're working on it. But no one are happy for me. Yeah, I can't wait. And I guess to Tami na fine.
I'm happy for you, but I'm stressed at the same time.
The man say I'm gonna call embassy and tell him some he's a flight risk. And how me I try run away to the people them country for have a baby.
That's just me when I go into my savage.
Him get vexed.
I mean, you're like the yin to my yang, you know. I don't operate well.
That's
when
not
you're
true.
not around.
That's not true. You operate just fine when I'm not around. Not as good, but
You ever see Bonnie and Clyde now flex it? You ever see Batman and Robin now flex it?
them say me and you are the remix for Psyche and Trim.
What them Psyche and Trim?
Alright guys, we are just gonna be going about our day today, and I wanted to take the boys to the park later and show you guys this little park that Grandma and Momo took them to. It's so sweet. So maybe we'll take them there later for a little run around. Yep, as always, we'll just see how the day unfolds, so stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You like that? That was my TV voice. Okay, this is shaking. Oh,
I got it.
we go together like sha-la-la-la-la, shibbity-dippity-doo, together forever. Change, 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 change you out. That's the way it should be. Oh, yeah.
The time is
Dip-dip-dip-dip-doo-up-be-doo-be-doo. Booty-booty-booty-booty, shoo-doo-up, shoo-up. Change, 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 change you up. We know the way it should be. Wow,
Who sing that song?
It's from Greece, but I don't know why they know it. I started playing it. They heard it somewhere and then they asked for it, so I started playing it on the way to school, and then I was introducing them to Greece and everything. And alright, so we're taking the boys out for a quick little treat. I'm all dolled up now because I actually have an interview to do at 4 o'clock. Interview / podcast.
Guys,
I'm not really sure.
I was bothering Mommy to go.
The whole day.
Yeah. Me too.
But Wayne took Alex for a drive, which will show some of that footage
I thought
shortly.
he was going to pick up something with Alex. That's what he said.
No, Alex went to go and practice driving.
Oh, I thought Alex was
Daddy?
going to his friend's house again.
So a lot of you have been asking in the last video, where's Alex? Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Guys, Alex is a teenager. Not only is he a teenager, he's actually entering adulthood. He's gonna be 20. And so you have to just understand that his involvement with the vlog is becoming less and less, and that is completely led by him, and that is okay. So I'm saying this in an effort to have you guys also just inform other people when they ask, that you'll see him when you see him and you won't when you won't. And it's not like, you know, something happened, and thank you for your concern, but you know, he's growing up, and so, you know, we have to be mindful and respectful of that, and he is going to be as involved as he'd like to be. Careful, yeah. So yeah, just bear that in mind. But yes, you guys went driving. How did it go? You're braver than me by a million miles, by the way.
No, him going decent. Him have some work.
Yes.
Him have some more work to do before test time.
Okay.
My,
Estimation.
Yeah, but I got a little footage of it.
I love driving. It's one of my favorite things ever.
Well, then how come you don't take me to the stadium?
you want to hear a fun fact? Because I have older brothers, by the time I was 11, my brothers took me to the stadium to teach me how to drive stick shift. And now I think about it, that's crazy. And my parents clearly didn't know, because they would never have allowed that. My foot could hardly stick the clutch.
Stadium around big up something you
I
can't
know,
question
but
or nothing.
just 11, foot can hardly stick the clutch, have to change gear and drive.
So you requested to be taught to drive.
Oh, absolutely. And they were like, sure.
Your previous, you know? She old before she young.
It just shows you, so when you're young, you don't know. Young but don't know storm. Because then I guess my brothers would have been like 19. Anyway, I'm hungry. Let me get some masks.
Yeah, you're hungry for candy because you always eat it at night, Mom. Because I already know.
Alice, you eat a lot of candy too.
You can't chat my business? Jeez.
Sometimes
You have a mask?
I go in at the house room. I go in her room and then I just leave a bunch of candy.
You're the
Candy master.
Real information.
I'm a candy master.
Nirvana glow. Oh wow. It's only for food place in there.
So guys, first thing in the morning, every morning, I run up to the house and feed Pepper, replenish her water and stuff. Because Pepper stays up here, she keeps watch at the house. And don't worry about her, man. She have her company in the days and stuff when the workmen come. So everybody, one thing with MTM, a whole heap of dog lovers and animal lovers in our MTM family. And you not go worry if you don't see Pepper, if you don't see, yeah, Pancho's still not here. Pancho's still not here, people, but yeah, we'll soon see Pancho's pilot, don't worry. I staying positive, keeping hope alive. Pepper! Hi, Pepper! Alright. We were thinking of carrying Pepper down to Mommy, but somebody have to stay and keep watch, you know? So we'll just start. I was still probably going to bring her down, but for now she'll go and hold it. Hi, Pepper! Hi! So guys, a little piping going in. This happened yesterday. Yeah, people, so the work is continuing. Even on the weekends, the workman them come through and do work. Bunch of food. Don't touch people. A problem. That is an issue. Pancho, if you're watching this, or if you're hearing my voice, Pancho! Maybe the yard where you're going into is a MTM yard. Maybe it's a MTM family yard and them watching this video, they don't even know, say, it's my post Pancho is there with them. So if you're hearing your boss, your new boss watching this right now, you hear your real boss voice, come home, Pancho. Come home. We want you back, Pancho. Don't make them trick you, know where your bread butter.
Well, guys, it's the Nana walking in sub-zero temperatures into Denver. I mean Devon, Chris. Denver, Colorado. Visiting my son and his beautiful wife and lovely boys. So here I am, soaking up the Colorado weather. I love it. Well, my family, my MTM family, this is for you. I hope Miss Tami will post it. Just to show you that the Nana is doing well and looking forward to coming home to the sunshine sometime later this year. Cheerio!
I'm not sure if Wayne introduced that we are in Sunday now or not, but it is Sunday. I went on the road earlier to drop Alex off to link up with some of his friends. You know, he does his little thing. But yeah, gonna go back and pick him up. I went to go and visit Auntie Tessie and Bill and Zaya for a little bit. And I left the kids at home with Grandma and Momo. They were painting. And I actually got a couple coloring books and stuff for them. Atlas is really into art at the moment, and a lot of coloring, painting, so I'm trying to, you know, support his love for all of that. So yeah, Wayne is off linking up with some of his old schoolmates. They're playing football or something. I think that's really nice, so good for him, happy for him. Even though it's so funny, you know, like, I know you guys think that we're together all the time, and yeah, we kind of are, but I love it, and I miss him when he's not around. Even if we're not in the same place in the house, it's just nice to know that he's around, right? So yeah, anyway, just giving you a quick little update. There might not be much from today because I'll have to look back and see what we did yesterday and all that stuff. So oh, also just want to big up all of the MTM family who have gone over to the Tam Fam family, to the Tacklers family, over on Tami Tackles Everything, my other channel, who have been showing it so much love and support. Thank you guys a million. I released a video yesterday about Jackson's birth, my pregnancy and birth story with Jackson, and you know, you all know Jackson so well, so if you want to see that video, you can go and check it out and learn more about Jackson, who is just big now, gonna be 9 this year. What do you mean I have a 9-year-old? What? That's so crazy. Anyway, yeah, see you in a few.
Wait a sec, what did I say? Listen, people, I drive out for one little day and everybody I call my phone.
No.
I say, where you there?
One call I call you.
Our mommy just call me like, where you at? Your family misses you. Lord God, mommy can't just live my life like a man.
Oh,
Jesus.
no, don't do it again. Welcome home.
No, it feels good to be loved. Oh my God, it feels good to be loved by all.
Whatever.
Eh? Let's go to
Bedtime.
Where's Azzy Boozy?
Sleeping.
What? Okay, so I'm never getting a sleep, never getting a rest time, nap time today.
He was going down, but we had to keep him up.
Yes, it was quite a thing. No. Time for bed.
People, Monroe won the finals. Wap, wap, wap. But we didn't beat them in the competition already, you know. We beat them in the zone, the group round. Sure, man. Yeah, but a penalty still. I kick on my penalty, but I know nothing.